In this video, we will discuss about the IUPAC Nomenclature of Ester in Ester. The terminal carbon atom is attached with two oxygen atoms, in which one is connected with double bond, and other one is with single bond. The structure is written as where R' is hydrogen, and or carbon chain, and R is only carbon chain. The only R's term is alkyl, and other parts are called alkanoate. Then IUPAC, named as alkyl alkanoate.
The first example is given as in which method is present with ester group the carbon atom is connected with oxygen with double bond and the other one is single bond. The name of this example is methyl methanoate, which is its IUPAC name, and the common name is methyl formate. Second example is having four carbon atoms and with tertiary but eel to group the oxygen atomic in between them. The four carbon chain is known as but, and then this IUPAC name is tertiary butyl butanoate, and a common name will be tertiary butyl butyrate. And then this IUPAC name is tertiary butyl butanoate, and the common name will be tertiary butyl butyrate. The third example is having two carbon before oxygen and two carbon after oxygen, so it will be ethyl ethanoate. The next example is different, as in before we have named the IUPAC in which the structure was given, but in this example the name is given and we have to draw the structure of this. First we draw the structure of isopropyl, with which is CH3 taken twice, and prop, which is 3 carbon chain, which is draw after isopropyl group. Example is methyl hexanoate, so first we draw the methyl group, which is CH3 and oxygen atom, and draw the chain of hex, which is 6 carbon chain terminal carbon having 2 oxygen atom. One is connected with double bond and one is with single bond. The remaining valencies of carbon, which is 4, is filled with hydrogen atoms. class example is isobutyl format, in which we first draw the ester group in which the terminal carbon is having two oxygen, one is connected with double bond and one is with single bond, and we draw the methylene group and isopropyl collectively call as isobutyl.